For Brian's birthday, I made these fudge brownies with walnuts and chocolate chips. They were sinfully delicious. I also did put some icing and some nuts on the top as well. So it's like around 7:30, and my brother is celebrating his 30th birthday this weekend. This weekend with friends, and then on next Wednesday is his actual birthday. We'll be taking him to dinner. But I just wanted to show you guys what I'm wearing. I did like little space buns. And then this dress is from Shein, and I really like it. It's really flowy, and it's really comfortable. I'll show you in full length again. Jello shots. Which one do you want, baby? Play trivia all about Brian. Got our lattes. Jones got what is it, a gray? London fog. Look how good. This place is so cute. We even have a little patio area outside. So I figured I had a little extra time today to do some unboxings with you. And as you guys can see, I have quite a few things that came in the mail in the last 2 weeks that I haven't had a chance to really go through. So I thought it would kind of be fun to do an old school unboxing with you guys. And then there was some goodies that my mom brought over too. So don't mind all of this behind me. I'm actually taking down all the lemon summer decor so that transitioning over into 4th of July. But first I wanted to do this unboxing with you guys. So first, my mom brought over some makeup goodies. So she went a little crazy with Laura Geller makeup on QVC recently. And so she bought like pretty much duplicates of anything she got, or there were like deals of some kind. So I've got Laura Geller powder foundation, which I used to use and I haven't used it in years. So I'm definitely excited to try it out. She got both the Balance and Brighten and the Baked Balance and Glow. This one's more illuminating. And I do have this one just like in my cheek area. I put it on a little bit. Let me do a little bit of the matte one though. It did come with these kind of like kabuki style, really soft brushes. So they come in little sets, and they come obviously in different shades as well. I'm in the fair. I'm just gonna show you. Take away a little bit of my shine from earlier. I think it's got a decent coverage, and it looks really nice. Pretty. So I'll be using those again. I'm happy to have that back in my makeup arsenal. These are nice brushes too to have in your bag because they're easy to close and not get all over the place, you know? She also got the Baked Bronze and Brighten. This is for body. Another brush here for that. I'll do a little just to show you what I mean. And everything has this really pretty marbled effect to it. It's so pretty. I just put a little bit like by my collarbone area here. Definitely gives a little nice bronze, a little bit of a glow. Especially if you use like liquid highlight like here and here, and then do the bronze. So pretty. I also got this set of these marble lipsticks. I am wearing one right now in the shade, I think it might be this one. No, this one's Strawberry Toffee. Do you see how pretty that like marbled effect is there? This one's like a really pretty berry color, berry pink. And then we have Honey Bun, a nude but with a little bit of pink thrown in there. And then we've got, this is the one I have on, Dolce. Those are pretty similar. This one has a little more pink that I'm wearing. They feel so good and conditioning going on the lips. And this is Golden Berry, which has like, ooh, this one's so pretty. Look how fun that marble effect is. Very, very. Let's see, like it has some nude colorings going through it too with that marble effect. So, and since we're on the makeup track, let's just look at a few of these makeup items that came in. So one thing came in from Pixie Skin Treats, and it's their Clarity Mist and their Clarity Blemish stickers. So the Clarity Blemish stickers I've already used and tried out. They're in my bathroom right now, and I didn't grab those, but I can say that they do work. Like I have this really nasty blemish that's underneath the skin right here, and I've had it for a couple weeks. It does not want to come to the surface. So I've been using those and it's been helping a lot. And there's also this Clarity Mist with hyaluronic complex and I don't know how to say that, Cica, C-I-C-A. And then It Cosmetics sent this cute little makeup pouch with some CC creams inside, which still is probably in my top 5 products from It Cosmetics that I use yearly. I was gonna say monthly, but I usually only use the CC cream certain times a year because in the summer it does melt off my face. So if I'm in like a super hot climate like Florida or here in Arizona, I don't wear them, but I will wear them in fall, spring, any other time but summer. It's a double-ended brush, which I actually use this exact brush for a lot of my foundations lately. So that was super nice of them, thanks to It Cosmetics. Then Too Faced sent me 2 really nice packages recently, and I have yet to try any of these products, so I'll make sure to talk about them later once I try them out. But first is the Born This Way Healthy Glow Foundation. Have any of you tried this out yet? It has an SPF of 30. It says a moisturizing skin tint with watermelon, apple, hyaluronic acids. That's interesting. And it's UVA, UVB rays, it protects against. And they gave me 3 shades, Vanilla, Warm Nude, and Light Beige. I'm not really sure which one's gonna work out for me, but whatever one doesn't, I will donate to friends and family. It's a very liquidy foundation. It's in like a bottle like this. So yeah, it's probably going to be really nice and lightweight since it's more of like a liquid base like this. So I will try it out and be letting you know very, very, very soon if I like that. It Cosmetics and Too Faced have been on really good track for me lately. I've been trying so many new things for them and really liking it. Oh my goodness. Look at this from Too Faced. It's literally Christmas. Okay, let's see what they sent. Oh, highlighters, a palette, and a lippy it looks like, and all this fun pink stuff. Okay, so this lip thing is the Lip Injection Maximum Plump, Extra Strength Instant and Long-Term Lip Plumping in Cosmic Crush. Now is this in a color? And this is limited edition. Oh, okay, limited edition packaging for this. Look how fun that is. It's like a metallic pink on the top, and then the gloss itself has more of like a bronze glitter to it, which is, ooh, it's very sparkly. Way more sparkly than their other lip injection. So it has chunkier glitter, it looks like, inside of there. Oh, so fun. Okay, then we have these Moon Crush highlighters. So we've got, they're called Moon Crush Out of This World Highlighter. And we have 2 shades, Summer Moon, whose name is that? Okay, if you watch Vanderpump Rules, Sheena, her daughter's name is Summer Moon, so she really needs this highlight. I know she's not watching my channel, but seriously. And then the other one's called Shooting Star. So let's check out and see how these look, but the packaging, just from the box, Too Faced always knocks it out of the park with the packaging. Like, how cute is that? Oh my goodness, I love it. It's like a really pretty soft pink compact with the gold details around the edges. Makes it look a little bit more old school in my opinion, and just really feminine and classic and pretty. Okay, so, oh, it has a little heart on the clasp part right there. Okay. I was just praying that it wasn't broken, but it's not. Look how pretty. Okay, before I swatch it, Let me see what the Summer Moon one looks like too, just to compare the shades. So pretty. Oh, this one's darker. So Summer Moon's a little bit darker. Here they are next to each other. They're both highlights. Let's see. They do have, it says Moon Crush embossed into it with. So here's Summer Moon, which definitely has more of like a rose gold, deeper tone, gonna be beautiful on bronze and darker complexions. And then we have this one, which I definitely am gonna love. I think this one's a little too dark for me. I could use that as like a bronze topper, but not as a highlighter. Like when I do bronzer, I could do that on the top. But this one's gonna be my jam. I love this more like a champagne tone, beautiful. And then we have Cosmic Crush Out of This World eyeshadow palettes. And look at those fun colors that are on the edge there. It's a really nice thin palette, okay. Own the night, take over the glam galaxy and be a star with these 16 rich, multi-dimensional, pigmented shadows that range from futuristic metallics and shimmers to modern mattes for looks so dazzling they're out of this world. Got some nice mattes that looks like a lot of the ones that they thought you would use more, they've made elongated a bit, the pans themselves, and then the metallics and shimmers are a little bit smaller. Really fun and pretty though. And let's just like maybe swatch one matte. I'm gonna do Big Bang is one of the matte browns. And then we'll do Twinkle Twinkle. Oh, they're very soft, the shimmers. I'll do two of the shimmers. Let's do one brighter, one ultraviolet. So I'm doing ultraviolet, Twinkle Twinkle, and Big Bang. So we've got matte, and then the sparkles and shimmers. Very promising. From swatch test, very promising. Seem nice and blendable. I'm excited to try this palette out. Definitely different shimmers that this Hypernova is calling to me. It's like a green with a blue shift, really pretty. Liquid IV sent me a really exciting package. So many of you guys know that I'm obsessed with Liquid IV. I drink them every single day, but then someone brought it to my attention, probably in the last couple months, that there's 10 grams of sugar in each one of their packets. So technically not fasting when I ingest that in the morning before I have anything, but they've now come out with a sugar-free option. This packaging is so extra though, wait for it.
Liquid IV, real hydrated, now it's sugar-free.
Did you hear that? Holly started barking because she heard him. But it says hydration multiplier, sugar-free. So they've got 3 different ones in here. Look how cute this is. I mean, seriously? Green grape. I haven't tried any of these flavors yet. White peach. I'm so excited about the white peach. Oh, that sounds so good. White peach. Green grape. And then last but not least, we've got lemon lime, which will probably be my least favorite because I don't know why, but lemon lime's just not my jam. But this white peach, I cannot wait to try that. And then there's little drawers of stuff over here too. Let's see. Oh, they just sent us extra goodies because they're so sweet. So they sent some stickers. Can you guys see that? Some stickers, a hat, which I've been loving baseball caps like this. What does it say? 0 regrets. Love it. This has like, do you see the little, you can hold on to it like this. How cute is that? I love that. And then this speaker is sick. Can we put this out? Look at this sick speaker too. Thank you, Liquid IV. How nice is that? And then it has this like little charger thing that goes with it. So we can bring some tunes on the beach. Thank you so much to them. But I'm really pumped that we have some sugar-free options now, but you still get 3 times the electrolytes of leading sporting drinks, and you get 3 times the hydration than you would regular water. And I don't know about you guys, but I have a really hard time drinking water just like plain. So this helps me drink water and get hydrated faster. All right, now we're gonna open Lydia, my sweet friend Lydia's package. So she actually asked me to send her some of the Jaclyn Hill lip oils because she couldn't get them in Canada. And so I sent them to her, and then she sent me this sweet package back, which she really did not have to do. But yeah, she sent me a few little goodies wrapped up. So first there's a card. Let me open this real quick. Special thanks to you. It's some pretty sunflowers. Oh, thank you, Lydia. You're so sweet for doing this. So let's unwrap and see what she sent to me. So this is a spin pop. You know those ones that you put on the back of your phone so that you can hold them easier? But it's one with a truth or dare game on it. So you spin it on the outside here. And it's your truth or dare game. That is adorable. There's still a couple other things. Ooh, and I almost opened it by accident. Limited edition Smarties in orange cream pop from Nestle. Ooh, yummy. I'm gonna have to try one now and then I'll let Chris try some too. Okay, so it look like M&Ms. It tastes like, yummy. It literally tastes like an orange cream pop and chocolate M&Ms made a baby. Delicious. Oh, pretty. And she gave me these pretty pair of earrings. Those are fun. I love hoops like that. Thank you, Lydia. These are so much fun. Okay, one more goodie. Oh, so cute. Look how cute these are. I love them. Cute little flower clips. I will definitely wear these. Thank you so much, Lydia, for thinking of me and sending that sweet package. But I hope you guys enjoyed me doing a little unboxing action for you, and I'll see you in a little bit. I don't know about you, but I absolutely love summer fruit, especially these cherries. They were amazing from Costco. Good morning, it's Wednesday. I just washed my hair, so that's why it's like crazy curly. But I wanted to show you guys this highlight is stunning. I absolutely love it. It's that new Too Faced one that I just showed you guys. The Moon Crush highlighter in Shooting Star. And it is so gorgeous. Look at that. So pretty. Now, the foundation. I tried this yesterday and I didn't film it. I'll try it again tomorrow. The Healthy Glow foundation, the Born This Way Healthy Glow. I love the Born This Way foundation. That is the regular like matte version or like neutral. I don't know. It wasn't glowy. It wasn't Healthy Glow. I really love how thin this goes on and how high coverage it is, which was very reminiscent to me of the Face and Body from Makeup Forever. But I don't really know if I like how it wore on my skin, especially where I get more glowy in the center of my face. So I'm going to try a different technique of application tomorrow and tell you if that works for me better. Okay, this is why I don't film my food every day for you guys, because I eat so weird sometimes. Like I'm a grazer, like in the middle of the day. I don't eat a lot, so I'll have like snacky things like this, like pickles, cucumbers, and hummus. This is cilantro hummus. Pepperoni and like low-fat string cheese. Got my pal right here waiting to eat. All right, is it extremely bright? But I'm on my way to my brother's birthday dinner. We're going to Copper and Logs. I've never been there, but it's supposed to be like this really yummy pizza and beer place. I look really shiny. Okay. So to be perfectly honest, we didn't love this place, but hey, the company and the wine was good. And then we went back to Brian and Haley's for presents and chocolate cheesecake from Cheesecake Factory to end the night on a great note. I hope you guys have a really awesome week, and I will see you again next Sunday. Happy 4th of July. Now, I know this is delayed when you guys are seeing this, but it's actually 4th of July today. The whole family has off, which is so awesome. So everyone's gonna come over here, have a little bit of barbecue.